Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming two essentials: that your iPhone has network access and you know the email credentials. Once done, go to Settings, tap Mail, then Accounts and choose Add Account. This launches the provider list so you don't type server details unnecessarily. Select the correct provider, then enter your full email address and password. You do this now because the system negotiates authentication automatically. It saves time and reduces manual server mistakes later. Once the account entry attempts automatic setup, make manual choices when needed. If your provider isn't listed or auto detection fails, tap Other, add Mail Account, then pick IMAP versus POP. Use IMAP to keep mail synced across devices. Enter incoming server hostname, outgoing SMTP server, and correct ports. For example, IMAP 993 with SSL, SMTP 465 or 587 with TLS. You finish by verifying that the mailbox appears and that send/receive works. Open Mail, refresh inbox, and send a short test message. Then customize notifications, signature, fetch schedule, and mail days to sync so the app behaves how you like. If something goes wrong, first confirm the password and network, then reset your email password if needed. As a last resort, remove the account from settings and re-add it. This sequence resolves most authentication or sync errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.